Hey Alex, Courtney here with Southern Owls. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm so thankful that you are here today. I'm going to be teaching you all how to make a very simple but cute Christmas design. We are going to start off with a Norfolk pine swag base. You can grab one of these at creekroad.net. They have all of these beautiful Norfolk pine swag bases. They also have garlands and reeds, really pretty Norfolk pine stuff. I love this. This is such a beautiful base. And what I'm going to do today is we're just going to add some bells from Hobby Lobby right here and a simple bow. That's it. That's how easy this Christmas craft is going to be, and we're going to be using our M Bow and Go Maker today. This is also, you can purchase one at creekroad.net. Guys, if you're shopping at Creek Road today, you can use my code OWL10 for 10% off your entire order. Look how cool this is. You just screw in the dowels, and you're ready to go. You're ready to go. So first, what I want to do is add in these bells. So these bells are from Hobby Lobby. They already have this awesome jute string. So I'm just going to lay them, sorry if they're really loud, I'm just going to lay them down right on top of my swag. And we're just going to take a cable tie and underneath some of these branches of the Norfolk pine, we're just going to go in and zip tie it. Just like that. I'm going to bring that part around to the back and get it nice and snug because I want to make sure that these bells aren't going to go anywhere. And then we can just take our nippers and cut that right off. Now, obviously, these are really long. So all you have to do is, I'm liking how short these two are. I do want one to hang a little longer. So I am going to keep that one, because I think I want this one. Yeah, I like that. Now, if you would rather have the shorter one and then the big one at the bottom, you could do that also, but I kind of like how this is a little bit all kind of different lengths. I think I want it right there. We have this one. Oh, I don't know. I think that's good. So all I'm going to do is just take another cable tie, y'all, and cable tie it right into that Norfolk pine. Right where the jute is. Take another cable tie, get it really nice and snug, and cut off that extra, and I'm just going to pull that down. I'm probably going to do one more with this extra. You can cut off the jute if you want to as well. I'm just going to leave it like this and tie it to another branch. Nice and snug again. And just cut that off. And now we have this beautiful bells inside of our Norfolk. Okay? Ooh, I love that. Love. Okay, so now that we have our bells attached, I'm going to take my 2.5-inch ribbon, and we're just going to make a really simple but elegant bow. I have my cable tie ready and my pipe cleaner, and I want this to have some cascading tails all the way down, so let's measure that out. So I'm just putting it up. We're going to do, about 19-inch tails, so we're going to give that a pinch and put it right in those dowels. And then I'm just going to take this 2.5-inch ribbon, I'm going to twist it so the ugly side is facing down. We're going to do I want this to be a pretty big bow. So I'm thinking, let's do 8-inch loops. So I'm going to put my hand down at the 8 to hold that ribbon in place. I'm going to pinch that middle to put it in between the dowels. And then we're going to twist so that ribbon is facing up. And we're just going to do this a few times, doing an 8-inch loop. Pinch in the middle, twist up. 8 inches. Pinch in the middle. Twist so it's facing the ugly side. 8 inches again. Pinch in the middle. twist up. Okay, so now we have 4 loops at 8 inches. I'm going to start shrinking and layering my loops now. So I'm going to pull those out of my way so I can see my measurements again. Ugly side up again. We're going to go to the 7. I'm going to put my hand down at the 7. Pinch and twist like that. 7 inches again. Lay your hand down, pinch, and twist on the ugly side. Let's do 4. So let's do same thing, 7 inches. Big, beautiful bow, pinch and twist. And the great thing about this swag, guys, this could stay up for Christmas. It could stay up till winter because nothing about it screams Christmas, right? But it does have the Christmas colors. Oh yeah, let's keep going. All right, we're going to shrink down the loops one more time to the 6. 6 inches, put your hand down, ugly side up, flip over, pinch and twist, ugly side up, 6 inches, lay your hand down, beautiful bow. Okay, now we're going to do that center loop. Now, if you struggle with this, you could just make another 6-inch loop. What I like to do is I put my finger down on the other side of the dowel to hold it in place, the ribbon, and I'm going to flip that ribbon over the dowels and then pinch it and put it into place. A little big. Let's see. Perfect. About 6 inches loops, and then we're going to pinch in that dowels and then twist it so it's facing the pretty side. Take your scissors. These are my favorite scissors. If you're on the struggle bus with scissors, these are great scissors from creekroad.net as well, y'all. Okay, so now what we're going to do is I like to get my bow. So I put one hand on the bottom, one hand at the top, and just kind of slide it off. And I'm pinching right in the middle. And that is where we're going to put that cable tie. I'm going to hold it in place with my thumb, get it together, just like that. And then we're going to slide in that pipe cleaner because that is what we're going to use to attach it to our swag base. All right, let me get that out of the way. Cut that extra cable tie off. Get those pipe cleaners, twist, twist, twist around. Now we have a big, beautiful bow. So all I'm doing is putting my hands inside those loops and opening them up, fluffing them out, making them really nice and pretty. And we will adjust it more when it's on the swag, but just so we can get a little bit of a visual. Very, very pretty. So I'm going to go right up to the top of this swag where I put that jute rope. And we're going to go around. Make sure, excuse you, make sure you're going through the middle. And then we're going to twist, twist, twist those pipe cleaners on underneath. And then let me twist this bow so the tails are facing down. Beautiful. So now we can kind of just come in here, make these loops stand up, put our hands in there, kind of just fluff out those loops so they're nice and beautiful. Oh, yeah. Beautiful, beautiful bow. Yes. Okay, now we're going to come down here, and I'm going to dovetail these ribbons. So I'm just going to come, we're going to fold that ribbon in half and cut up at an angle. Same thing on this side. Okay, and now what we can do is kind of just manipulate where we want everything. I'm going to kind of tuck those tails under. There we go. Go down and around those bells because I still want the bells to be the main event, but I wanted, oh yeah, some of that ribbon to be all the way down. So look how simple and easy that was. Just a beautiful Norfolk pine. I love the way that these bells chime. They're so beautiful. A beautiful Norfolk pine swag base, a big beautiful bow, and some bells. This would be great. You could put them on your windows. You could put them on the columns. You could put these, you could hang these underneath if you have lanterns or sconces on your front porch. These would be so beautiful. So easy. 3 items: ribbon, bells, swag. Okay? Super, super easy. I'm going to tag all of the items in the comments, not in the comment section, in the description of the video. So if you would like to purchase any of these items, I'll link them. And thank you all so much for being here. I hope you enjoyed this simple Christmas winter swag design. Guys, I cannot wait to craft with y'all again soon. I'll see y'all again. See y'all soon. I was going to say see you again. Bye, everyone. Have a good one.